I'm Jake, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the Series TE-I Immersion Temperature Sensor. Dwyer's accurate and reliable TE-I can be utilized to monitor water temperature in applications such as chiller or boiler loops and building automation. The temperature sensors are available with general purpose or NEMA 4X weatherproof enclosures, allowing them to be used in a variety of applications. Multiple knockouts provide easy conduit access to any side of the housing, and the quarter-turn lid comes with a chain to prevent it from being lost during installation. The Series TE-I offers probe lengths as low as 2.5 inches and as long as 18 inches. The Series TE-TNS Thermowells can be used to separate the sensor from the process, and the integral half-inch NPSM connection allows for direct mounting into the Thermowell. Standard units come with 4-inch leads with an integral terminal block to eliminate carrying extra wire nuts. A wide selection of passive RTD or thermistor temperature sensors is available to match the input specifications of most control manufacturers. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.